Today I'm going to show you how to record macros in Microsoft Word. So recording a macro basically means that you are recording a process which you can continuously use and assign a shortcut key to it. So quite simply, what we need to do is go in our ribbon to the View tab and go over to Macros, use the drop-down menu and click on Record Macro. Here it'll give a macro name, and you'll either have the option to assign a macro to a particular button on your worksheet, or you would assign a shortcut key. So over here you want to store the macro in a particular area. So I'm just going to say all documents. You can also add a description here, and I'm going to click on keyboard. Now, what's going to happen is you are going to come down here and say press new shortcut key. So use a shortcut that is easy for you to remember and easy for you to use. So I'm going to use Control and the Q button, and I'm going to save changes in normal. I'm going to say assign. Now we can say close. The next step to actually record your macros is make changes on your document. So I'm going to go to Home. I'm going to highlight this, and you can see the macros is in working right now. The cursor has a little icon on it. So whatever I'm doing now will be recorded as my new macro, every action. So I've highlighted this. I'm going to make this title. I'm going to make it center. I'm going to change the size to 36, and I'm going to change the color to blue. This blue right over here. Now, go back up to View, come to the right hand side, use the drop down menu under Macros and click on Stop Recording. So let's go ahead and let's create some text over here. Now you can see this text. All you have to do is highlight it, use Control Q, and what it's done is it's literally changed this to whatever you have saved within your macros.